Good morning, Wolfpack. Meteorologist Brian Phillips here in the NCSU Weather Center, bringing you your forecast for today, Wednesday, October 29th. We'll go ahead and get started off by showing you pics from the pack. We have a beautiful picture today sent in from Taylor Zolads. She took my advice from my last forecast to go to the mountains for the month of October, and as you can see, it was definitely worth the trip for Taylor. Beautiful sight of the sun peeking through the clouds over the mountains. I really like that picture. Thank you for sending it in, Taylor. We'll go ahead and get started by showing you our headlines for today. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful day today, but later on this week, throughout the rest of the week, that will be headed downhill to our bone-chillingly cold weekend for our Halloween weekend. We'll take a look at your fitness forecast real quick. For those of you planning on going to Carmichael Gym this morning or running around campus at 7 a.m. It's going to be cool 61 degrees and partly cloudy. The sunrise at 7:34 a.m. It's going to be a nice morning to go out for a jog. Now, we'll look at our class-by-class forecast. For those of you planning on sleeping in a little bit later until you go to classes, 9 a.m., 64 degrees, 72 degrees at lunchtime, and then 76 at 3 p.m. We will start out mostly sunny to partly cloudy in the morning and clouds slowly increasing throughout the day, and that is because to our west we have a cold front here along the Appalachian Mountains, and that will be advancing eastward throughout the day today, and when it does that, it will bring a slight chance of rain overnight tonight. A very slight chance, maybe, maybe not, but tomorrow it will be on out of here, and behind this cold front will be cold air, very cold air. As you can see for today, 78 degrees, mostly sunny in the morning, increasing clouds throughout the day, and winds from the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, 48 degrees, and mostly cloudy, a 30% chance of rain, and winds from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And tomorrow, cooler, 64, mostly sunny with winds from the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour as well. We'll take a look at our 5-day forecast real quick. As you can see, it's going to be a beautiful day today, but the temperatures will slowly get cooler all throughout the week. By the time we get into Halloween weekend, look at Saturday night. It's going to be close to freezing outside. So it is going to be pretty cold this weekend. Bring out your jackets. Now I'm going to start something new for this week, and I will plan on continuing it for my other forecast, and that's called Ryan's Radical Weather Facts. And since this fact is pretty cool this week, I decided to put on some sunglasses. I say cool because this week's fact is the coldest temperature in the world, which is negative 128.6 degrees, was recorded in Vostok Station, Antarctica. That's pretty cold. Good thing we're not seeing that this weekend in Raleigh. I would not like that. So I hope you like our forecast, and if you'd like to see more videos from NCSU Weather, feel free to watch them on YouTube and follow us on Twitter and like our page on Facebook. Thank you, Wolfpack, and you have a good afternoon.